questions. We're going to skip number 4.
We got a quiz.
Yeah. Skip number 4. So you can cross out number 4. You don't have to do it at all. We're going to do number 1 together. It's just a refresh of what we've been doing. The quiz so far, the lowest somebody's gotten is an 80. The quiz is very easy because I made the quiz. The district did not. So it's just like a, do you know what you're doing kind of thing? So for number 1, also on this, you can scribble out these little boxes. We're not going to write the coordinate points because on the quiz, I didn't make you write the coordinate points. So like you can scribble out these little boxes. What I want you to worry about today is literally just making your pictures. So you can skip number 4. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plot the pre-image, which is a triangle A, B, and C. So we're going to plot the original points. A is at 0, 0. B is at 8, 1. C is at 5, 5. And if you're trying to look at the numbers on the graph, it's kind of weird because 5 kind of looks like 6. But if you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the numbers are kind of squished together. So you get this cute little triangle. For the quiz, each problem has 1 step. So you're either reflecting it or you're translating it left and right and up and down. Okay. For this is the harder problem. There's only 1 2-step problem on your quiz. These are 2-step problems. So first thing we're going to do, it says transformations. The first thing we have to do is go left 7 and down 1, because that's the first thing that's written in the sentence. That's the first thing you have to do. You cannot go out of order. So I'm going to take my triangle and I'm literally just going to count left 7 and down 1. So A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A ends up right here. B ends up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 1. B prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then
Sign this for me.
yeah. What do you have in my class right now?
57.
Yeah.
How much will this
Yeah,
test
yeah.
bring me up?
Tell me how.
A lot, because I'm pretty sure. Oh, I didn't grade yours yet, but
I'm pretty sure.
I don't know how many missing assignments.
If I didn't, I'm gonna cry.
You've been doing great though. So
Yeah.
great now. Boop. Each. And then I don't know. I'll just put 0 because I don't, whatever. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, so on the quiz, 3 of the questions are literally just that, shifting a picture left, right, up, and down. One of which is the graph, so literally you would be done with number 1 because that would be all you have to do. The 2 other shift problems that are just shift problems are without a graph, and you would have to do the math, just adding and subtracting, which we'll cover that as well. But then now we have to reflect it across the x-axis. So what people are doing wrong, if they're doing it wrong on the quiz, is when they're reflecting the second step, a lot of people are going back to the original and reflecting it. You are not reflecting the original. You are reflecting what you just made. So the x-axis is this. This is where you count up and count down. So A is 1 down, so A is going to be 1 up. B stays exactly the same because it's on the x-axis. So you can't go up anything because you didn't go down anything. C is 4 up. So C is going to be 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So C double prime is right here. Boop, boop, boop. So this one's very ugly just because it's like on top of itself. The other ones don't look like this. And on the quiz, it doesn't look like this. It's not like that ugly. But if you just shade in your final answer. So you can cross out number 4 completely. Take like 10 minutes, try number 2, try number 3. You do not have to write the quarter points out. Don't worry about writing the quarter points out. And then in like 10 or so minutes, we'll talk about one other thing that's on the quiz, and then you guys will take your quiz. But most people are doing great on the quiz, so like the quiz should help you. Did you do number 2 and 3? Bring it over here so I can do it real quick.
Again, Julie.